Kea. Keas are large parrots native to New Zealand and are known for their intelligence and curiosity. They are the world's only alpine parrot, often found in the South Island's mountainous regions. Keas have olive-green plumage with vibrant orange feathers under their wings. They are known for their mischievous and playful behavior, often exploring and interacting with objects. Keas are omnivorous, feeding on a variety of plant matter, insects, and even carrion. They are strong flyers and can cover long distances between foraging areas. Keas have a distinctive loud call that sounds like kea and is used for communication. Their intelligence is often compared to that of great apes and dolphins. They are highly adaptable and can adjust to changing environmental conditions. Keas are monogamous and form long-lasting pair bonds. These parrots have a relatively long lifespan, often living for several decades. They are known for their ability to use tools and problem solve in their search for food. Keas have been known to playfully interact with humans, often stealing and dismantling objects. Conservation efforts are in place to protect kea populations, as they are vulnerable to habitat loss and introduced predators. Keas are considered a national icon in New Zealand and are an important part of the country's biodiversity.